Mr. Rogers remembers many things from his time in the Army, like the victory mail him and his friends would receive from loved ones back at home. But what Mr. Rogers remembers the most is his time in Paris. When he was in Paris, it had just been liberated. He wasn't supposed to be there, but his friend had convinced him otherwise. They were only there for an hour before they got detained under the Eiffel Tower. They then received a 2-hour pass so they could leave. Instead, however, they decided to tell anyone who asked that they were lost and ended up staying the night in the beautiful city. Mr. Rogers even retrieved some items from a German officer's headquarters. He took a sword and a medallion from a uniform. Mr. Rogers had a great time in the Army and Paris. He also believes that being in the Army was one of the best decisions he's ever made.